Hey, welcome back to the shop. I'm Jason, and today we are back in the garage trying to make a little bit more space. See, I have a problem with my wood. Ooh. Let me do that again. You see, I can't get my wood up out of the... You see, I need somewhere to put my wood. Damn. Okay. I need to put that up out of the way. I won't say the word this time, then it won't sound weird. I used to have this rack that's, well, this rack here behind me up against the wall over here on this side, but that was prohibitive in trying to get around cars, the truck especially, while I was on the lift. So I'm taking the easy way out here. This will be a quick project. I've already got the wall all checked off. You can see the screws there where the studs are. We're just going to be hanging some metal shelving up, much like what I did over here for my helmet racks. So come on with me. Let's get my wood up out of the way and make a little bit more room to work. So for this install, I'm going to be using these Everbuilt 48-inch heavy-duty vertical rails. And they say they have a linear foot capacity of 90 pounds, plus these 20-inch heavy-duty brackets, which I seem to recall having a higher capacity at the store. Regardless, I don't know that there's going to be that many hundreds of pounds up here. I am going to be storing a lot of my nicer wood, some 2x4s and some janky stuff like that up there. Plus, I will have 6 vertical supports. I think that it'll be enough to hold everything together. To mount it to the studs, I'm using these 3.5-inch construction screws with the T25 hex top. I think that they're going to have the shear load and the vertical load to do what I want to do here. In the previous video, when I was insulating these walls, I had holes everywhere, and I verified where my studs were, so hopefully today, as I'm putting these in, I hit all the studs. One down, 5 more to go. Then I'll get screws in all of them once they're all level and plumb with one another. All right, well, as you can see, I was able to get my wood up on the wall and out of the way. I do have some sheet goods there, but I can walk right through here even though I'm a little wide and still get past a vehicle if it's up here on the lift. This was especially important when working on a truck, either my truck, my mom and dad's truck, or anything else that's a little bit longer because I could not get to this back corner. So I hope that you like, subscribe, comment, bell, do all the dingy things. If you enjoyed this, drop a comment. If you have a different idea for up here, I would like to put a bunch of hooks across the bottom there to put my extension cords, my air hose, things like that up against the wall and out of the way. I just haven't seen any that I think are going to work quite right. Drop a comment and let me know what that would be. I'll see you in the next video.